Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is rife. It's pronounced rife, and it's spelt R-I-F-E. Rife describes something, usually something unpleasant, which is of common occurrence or widespread. For example, you could say, the teacher told me that my essay was rife with mistakes and needed to be rewritten. Now, of course, this would never happen to us because we're listening to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show. The word rife comes from the Old English word rife, meaning abundant, common, or prevalent. Did you know that the English language is rife with words that have been transferred from Germanic or Scandinavian languages? Many of the words that we use every day have been handed down to us from Old English, which originally came from these old languages. Rife is one of these words. Rife is an adjective, and it is therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, the impoverished town was rife with disease and hunger, or the office was rife with rumours. Rife usually only describes something unpleasant or undesirable, which is widespread. So, for example, you could say crime was rife in the city, but you wouldn't say flowers were rife in the garden, or the world is rife with kindness. Rife is defined in the dictionary as something unpleasant which is very common or happens a lot. Rife synonyms include abundant, alive, plentiful, popular, prevalent, common, and rampant. Antonyms include limited, scarce, uncommon, and low. See if you can notice anything rife today. It could be anything which is common or widespread, but remember, it usually has to be something which is negative. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.